Thank you, Madam President and members of the Council. On behalf of the Center for Constitutional Rights, our clients and movement partners, and all communities under threat struggling for justice and liberation, we expect the international community will join us in holding the United States accountable as the country seeks to re-engage with the Human Rights Council. The United States must not simply restore and return to obligations undone by the Trump administration. It must embrace international structures and obligations and abandon its belligerent engagement with the international community. The posture of the United States has long been one of double standards and half measures in meeting its human rights obligations. Allowing the United States to continue its position as a global legal outlier, particularly with regard to impunity for human rights violations, has a destructive impact on the protection of human rights worldwide. In pursuit of a more humane and sustainable future, the international community must hold the United States accountable for its living history of domination and exceptionalism. And guided by principles of justice and reparations, this council must set specific and measurable benchmarks for the United States to remedy historic harm. We expect that the international human rights community will require, as a condition of re-engagement, whether as an observer or active participant, that the United States respect and promote human rights norms and international law obligations, including through domestic implementation. The United States must also implement the recommendations of the current and previous UPR cycles, ratify the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, and ensure that engagement with other nations is in accordance with and accountable to international law. With your support, we call on the United States to fundamentally reimagine, reconfigure, and transform its relationship to the global community from one of imperialism and isolation towards one of material solidarity and interdependence. Thank you.